Is it possible to transfer your YouTube subscriptions to another channel? Unfortunately, there is no direct way to transfer your YouTube subscriptions from one account to another. It is because YouTube doesn't offer a built-in feature for this. However, there are workarounds you can use to manually transfer your subscriptions. First, the manual method. Go to your subscriptions tab on YouTube and either write down the names of the channels you are subscribed to or take screenshots. Sign out of your old account and create a new YouTube account. Search for each channel from your list on your new account and subscribe to them. Second, you could use third-party tools. There are some third-party tools and browser extensions that can help you to claim and automate the process of transferring subscriptions. However, be cautious as these may not always be reliable or comply with YouTube's policies. While transferring your YouTube subscriptions isn't straightforward, these methods can help you move your favorite channels to a new account. Be patient and remember, there's no shortcut to manually recreating your subscription list.